Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are having one very interesting question from radicals. Here we have to evaluate expression a power 11. If given a is 6th root of 9 minus 20 over square root 5. So let's get started by considering this required expression equal to x first. Now I will raise both sides 6. So I can cancel 6th root with power 6. So a power 6 we can write 9 minus 20 divided by square root 5. Let us multiply here with root 5. So in the numerator, so a power 6 will be 9 minus 4 square root 5. Now, if you will see, a power 6 is greater than 0 but less than 1. So I can write a power 6 is lying in the interval 0 to 1. So a will be in the interval 0 to 1. Now I can write a considering 6th root both sides. So 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole power 1 by 6. Now we have to write x, what we are looking for, a power 11. This we can write 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole power 1 by 6 and then whole power 11. Now I will use one exponent property, a power b whole power c. Anytime we can write a power b times c. So x will be equal to 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole power will be 11 over 6. Now can we write 9 minus 4 square root 5 and 11 over 6? I can write 1 plus 5 over 6. Now I can write 9 minus 4 square root 5. This 5 over 6 can we write half plus 1 by 3. Now using property of exponents, I can write x will be equal to 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power 1. 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power 1 by 2. So square root 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power 1 by 3. So cube root. So ultimately we have to calculate square root and cube root of 9 minus 4 square root 5. Let us calculate one by one to find out x. And x is a power 11. So I will be writing here square root 9 minus 4 square root 5, which I can write equal to square root 9. I can split 5 plus 4 minus 4 root 5. Then 5 we can write it is root 5 whole square. 4 we can write it is 2 whole square. And minus 4 root 5 2 times root 5 times 2. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. We can write the square root of root 5 minus 2 whole square. So square root and square will be over. So the value of square root 9 minus 4 root 5, this will be equal to root 5 minus 2. Now the term of cube root. So I will write here cube root of 9 minus 4 square root 5. I will call this is equal to p. Because of 9 minus 4 root 5 is positive, p will be positive always. So there is no doubt about that. Let us consider cubing both sides. P cube will be 9 minus 4 root 5. Also consider q cube, which will be 9 minus, in place of minus we will write plus, 9 plus 4 root 5. Let us add p cube plus q cube. this will be equal to 18. And if I will multiply both p cube times q cube, then it will be 9 minus 4 root 5 times 9 plus 4 root 5. So difference of two squares identity we can apply. So I will be writing 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square, which will be equal to 81 minus 80 equal to 1. LHS, it is PQ whole cube. Now after considering cube root both sides, we can write PQ will be equal to 1. Real values only. Now P cube plus Q cube, here it is 18 and PQ equal to 1. Let us solve. So I will write PQ plus Q cube equal to 18 with PQ equal to 1. Now A cube plus B cube. I will write formula P plus Q in other bracket P square plus Q square minus PQ. RHS is 18. Now P plus Q as it is. Here we can write P plus Q whole square. And then I need to write minus 3Q to balance our equation equal to 18. Now let us consider P plus Q equal to T. So I can write here T in bracket T square minus PQ is 1. So here we can write 1. So value will be minus 3 equal to 18. T cube minus 3T minus 18 equal to 0. This is one cubic equation. I will use method of factorization. So T cube minus 3T minus 18, I will be writing minus 27 plus 9. Now 27 is 3 cube. I will write T cube minus 3 cube. Then it is minus 3T plus 9 equal to 0. A cube minus B cube formula, we can write A minus B in other bracket A square plus AB plus B square. And here I will take minus 3 common. So in bracket it would be T minus 3 again. Now T minus 3, T minus 3. I can write T minus 3 times T square plus 3T plus 9. And then we have minus 3 equal to 0. So T minus 3 times T square plus 3T plus 6 equal to 0. So conclusion from here, either T minus 3 will be 0. So T will be 3. And quadratic one, I will write T square plus 3T plus 6 equal to 0. If I will check only discriminant, then this value will be 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 6. So this is 9 minus 24. Discriminant is negative. It will give us complex solutions. Hence rejected. So T equal to 3 will be our final T value. So T was our substitution. It was P plus Q equal to 3. And our equation PQ equal to 1 I will consider to find the value of P. I can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are P and Q. Then this is sum of roots. This is product of roots. So I can write quadratic equation as P square minus sum of roots, which is 3 times P plus product of roots equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. So minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So I can write 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Let me write here P equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. P equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2. Now you can see this value is greater than 1. And this value is of course positive but less than 1. So our solution is here. This will be rejected. So P will be equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2. Let me write here. Now I will write X. X was 9 minus 4 root 5 times square root of 9 minus 4 root 5 times cube root of 9 minus 4 root 5. Now I will apply all the values. 9 minus 4 root 5. Square root 9 minus 4 root 5. It was root 5 minus 2. And this value is 3 minus root 5. We have just calculated over 2. Now I will take product, multiplication. So I can write equal to 9 minus 4 square root 5. Then I will write root 5 minus 2 times 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. So I can write 9 minus 4 root 5 times, let's multiply, and denominator will be 2. 3 root 5, then minus 5, then minus 6, then plus 2 root 5. So I can write 9 minus 4 root 5 times 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5, 5 root 5 minus 11 divided by 2. Now we have to multiply these two brackets, 5 root 5 minus 11 over 2 with 9 minus 4 root 5. So I will be writing X is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 times 5 root 5 minus 11 divided by 2. Let's multiply. So we can write 45 root 5. Then it is minus 99. Then it is minus 100. Then it is plus 44 root 5 divided by 2. 45 plus 44, it is 89 root 5 minus 199 divided by 2. This would be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Goodbye.